What's up, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Today I have completed a long overdue audio build on this 2007 Audi S6. Just finished up washing and waxing this little bad boy for him. It's a pretty car, very understated styling. I didn't really realize how big of a deal it was when I got it, but apparently it's super rare. Super tiny little thing, got a V10 motor in it, and we got a little boom boom in the trunk. I'll open up the bay door and take another look at that. I got 210s, ARC audio, did a Sony AX200 for the head unit, which required molding in a custom dash panel, which I upholstered in a vinyl to match the interior. So that's a 7-inch deep unit. The original screen was about 2 inches or so, so that was interesting to say the least. The doors got a full royal treatment. Outer door skin treated in Stinger Roadkill, inner door skin with the Stinger Roadkill Extreme dual layer material. The Bose system was totally gutted. ARC audio, ARC series 6.5s down there, and the tweets up there. For the rear doors, a little bit less royal of a treatment. It's the ARC X2 series 6.5 components, so woofers down there, tweeters right in there. No sound treatment on this one. Rear speakers are running off of deck power, and the rest of the system is running off of this, which is the ARC Audio XDI 1200.6. It's the X2 series. Alright, I got the bay door open now so you can see and hear a lot better, because there's light. So yeah, I mean, like, these cars are really well made, so the best way I could bring the wiring in was not underneath the carpet. Just kind of pulled it in, wrapped it in Tessa tape, tried to make it look a little bit clean. But again, 6-channel amp running the front active, and so basically 2 tweeters, 2 woofers, and 2 subwoofers are the 6 channels. Again, rear speakers running off of deck power. The subs, they're so pretty. I did a color match side carpet on that, which you cannot even see. That was kind of silly, little detail. Also, the box is flat bottomed, and I built this little triangular wedge thing that flushes up against the floor and holds it in place. It's velcroed down to the floor, and the box itself actually has a it's a pressed fit into it. It's kind of a cool little shenanigans. I'm happy with it. Let's see. Right. Ta-da! Dash is pretty dope. It gets the job done. Also installed a backup camera. It's the night vision one. Everything kind of works as intended. Again, that factory screen's totally gone, but we have, this one has Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. Super cool. My buttons still work, like for the glove box and all that nonsense or whatever. I'm not gonna sit here and try and play music for you because it's recording, so it's gonna be kind of dumb. I'm not gonna lie, this unit's kind of slow. But we actually have a CD DVD player, and when we go in reverse, we've got, well, a backup camera that's currently looking at the ceiling. This is the backup camera tucked up underneath there. They're a rear mount license plate frame, so there's a frame that goes behind there, and a super low profile. I like it. It's not obtrusive. And voila, this is our backup camera. And because it wouldn't be a complete video without showing off this ridiculous V10 motor tucked inside of this car, what makes it so special. This thing's pretty badass. But now the audio system's totally phenomenal, matches the performance of this engine. So pretty stoked. This is a good sized build. Took me longer than anticipated because Audis are a fun challenge. I appreciated it, I enjoyed it. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thanks for watching, I'll talk to you later. See ya!